is the Texas weather discussion video for Monday, the 6th of November. I'm Don Vanille. A cold front currently pushing through North Texas as we speak should result in a wide fluctuation of temperatures throughout the rest of this week, and also chances of rain during the middle of this week. But first, let's take a look at the water vapor satellite view across the CONUS region. The main westerlies are up to the northeast, and we continue with zonal flow aloft, along with some ridging, but that's not getting in the way of a cool morning. Arlington 64, DFW 62, mainly in basically in the 60s. And can you spot the cold front? Yeah, wide temperature fluctuations between basically Weatherford and Seymour, 60s and 50s, about 10% 10 difference, and I think we should warm basically to the mid 70s as a result of the cold front. There's a reason why we're not basically in the 80s and 90s right now. Watch warning map, we have a few dense fog advisories for basically some parts of the southeast. Otherwise, things are pretty quiet. The convective outlooks, no organized severe weather expected, just a risk of thunder for the east, mainly to the northeast of us, but other than that, no organized severe weather expected, mainly for the next week. This is the average rainfall for the next 7 days. This is valid through Monday of next week, and this is basically showing that confidence is increasing, that we may get 1 inch plus of rain, and that's mainly to come on Wednesday and maybe even on Sunday, where a few scattered showers are possible there. But obviously, higher amounts are to the south of the DFW. Out in the tropics, we only have one lone wave. Tropical Depression 19 is expected to become Tropical Storm Rina within the next 24 hours. And if it becomes Tropical Storm Rina, this will ultimately curve out into the northern Atlantic, posing no threats to land at all. So let's go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, about today at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars. This is valid at noon at 500 millibars, about 18 to 20,000 feet off the ground. We continue with zonal flow aloft. We still have troughing in the northwest, and down below, that looks pretty quiet. Again, it'll be a rather comfortable, pleasant day with highs in the mid 70s. Tuesday, pretty much the same thing, except we warm down. Will still be cloudy at times, but highs should remain in the mid 60s. The high for DFW should be around 66, and by Wednesday, another disturbance comes through our area. Makes its way through our area, and Wednesday should be a rainy day throughout the region, with scattered to perhaps numerous showers and storms by Wednesday. Highs should only reach the low 50s, so be sure to plan to dress accordingly. And lows for that day may even get into the upper 30s once again. So again, be sure to plan for a cold, wet, and muggy day on Wednesday. Let's go out to Thursday. That rain quickly clears our area. We're left in a dry air mass. It'll be significantly warmer on Thursday. Again, highs in the low 60s. And pretty much the same thing on Friday. Highs in the mid 60s this time. Let's go out to the weekend. This is Saturday. We pretty much stay pleasant throughout the weekend on Saturday, with highs in the low 70s, with again clouds out at times, but nothing to suggest a widespread overcast. And pretty much the same thing on Sunday. We may see a couple of scattered showers and storms, so pretty much the same day on Sunday. Here's a week from today, Monday the 13th. Most of the country in ridging here, and down below that looks pretty dry, mostly overcast with highs in the upper 60s. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Wednesday the 15th. We still have zonal flow aloft, and down here that's another dry look. numbers for the next numbers here. You can see after the cold front comes through today, we should have a fall-like weather conditions should return to north central Texas for the rest of the 10-day period, with highs ranging from about the 70s down into the low 50s. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll have more notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning if you can't catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and Godspeed.